Hello, so this question is minimum sum of mountain triplets 1. So um, let's dive into the simple. So 8, 6, 1, 5, 3. So if you draw like a mountain, so if this is 8, 6 probably be here, right? And then go to the 1, and then go above 5, and then comes back 3. So the smallest minimum possible sum, it has to be this one, right? This is the mountain. And then definitely if there are, if there are more mountains, something like this, and then you want to find out the minimum. So it's just based on the calculation, right? So again, I'm just giving you the idea, and then here's the solution. So you want to have two array. The first array is from the left to the right, and the second array is from the right to the left to find out what is the possible mean number you have traversed. So for example, from the left to the right, the first value is 8, right? The first value is 8, and the second value is 6. So 8 and 6, which one is smallest? Definitely 6, right? And 6 and 1 is 1, right? And if you have current 1, you want to compare with the next value, 1 and 5, which one is small? 1, right? And then we already know at this position, 1 is the smallest one. So 1 and 3 is 1 again. So from the left to right, this is the minimum value you traverse in the nums. And then from the right to the left, this is the current value we have. So it's 3 by default. 3 and 5, which one is minimum? Is 3. Right. And then traverse 3 and 1 is 1. 1 and 6 is 1. 1 and 8 is 1. Right. So now we know this is from right to left. Right. So the next iteration is going to be, so once you have these two value, these two in value, you want to traverse based on your current nums. So your mountain definitely have what this kind of value, right? So you have 8, 6, 1, 5, 3. So you want to traverse every single index, and then you want to add the value, the left value. So imagine you are here. You want to add the left value right here, and then right value right here, and then do the same thing, you know, like this, and then you will find out, oh, this is this should be the index, which is going to be 5, 3, 1, right? 5, 3, 1. This is the smallest possible sum you can traverse. All right. So too much talking. So let's start writing the solution. So I have left, and then new int, declare the non-start length, and I also have right. Same idea. I declare the length of the left and right. I initialize the 0 on my left. I traverse. I equal to 1 I less than num_start length I plus plus. And then for left I, basically just mean every single time. And then for the right, it's going to be the same. So right, declare my, the last index is going to be length minus 1 equal last value. All right. So I equal to 2, sorry, num_start length minus 2. I greater equal to 0. I minus minus. And then right at I, still going to be the same. You want to find out the mean. So it's going to be right plus 1 and then nums at I. So once you have this and then you want to have the return value, so by default I want to set an integer.max value. So when I return, I will return result, and every single iteration I'm going to find out the mean. So the mountain has to be what? The mountain has to be 3 index. So 0 is not going to be what? You cannot traverse from 0, and then you cannot traverse to the last index. You can traverse anything between 0 and last index, right? So for in I equal to 1. I plus 1 is less than num_start length. I plus plus. So if left I is less than nums I, and also nums I is greater than right at I plus 1. So this is the mountain, right? The left is smaller than the current index, and current index is greater than the right index, which is going to be the mountain, right? And then you want to just do the mean. So it's going to be the result, and then it's going to be left at I minus 1 plus nums at I plus right I plus 1. So once you have this, you return, and then it could be what? It could be max value, right? So for example, you don't set anything in here, which means the result is going to be equal the max value, which is supposedly you should return -1, right? You're not setting anything. So yeah, let's go. Submit. Cool. So time and space, this is space olefin. This is time olefin. This is time olefin. This is time olefin. All right. See you later. Bye.